every time I try to find a headlight restore kit video, they always start off with headlights that look like this. They're like, oh, check out these brand new headlights we're gonna restore. When they don't even look bad. It's like, dude, I'm driving like a 10, 20-year-old shitbox, man. I'm not trying to put a lot of money into this. All right, so I'm not gonna waste any time here. You're gonna test out this headlight renewal kit from Harbor Freight on my daily driver over here. So I got one good headlight, and my passenger headlight is looking a little hazy. So instead of buying a new one, I'm gonna test out this cheap kit and see if it works. Little disclaimer for you guys though, requires a 1200 to 600 RPM power drill sold separately. So if you guys don't have a drill, kind of shit out of luck here. So go watching the video now and go watch something else. Well, I am very surprised. It actually looks just as good as my other one. You know, it's not perfect. Like, you can kind of see there's a tad bit of haze there. But for a fucking Harbor Freight kit, this ain't too bad. I mean, I'm sure you could probably hit it again, but that looks pretty crisp. So if you're looking for the cheap route, I would definitely recommend getting this kit from Harbor Freight for only $14. But, I mean, nothing beats just getting brand new headlights. But if you're not feeling it for the daily and just want something that'll do the job, get that kit.